Hello, it's Amy with Just a Little Ink. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. Today I'd like to share with you the alternatives that I did with my own paper pumpkin kit. The May paper pumpkin was the Celebrating in Color kit, and it showcased all of our brand new 2022 to 2024 in colors. Stampin' Up changes in colors every 2 years. If you aren't aware, Paper Pumpkin is a subscription service that Stampin' Up offers, and it comes in your mailbox every month. You decide what months it comes. It's up to you to say, I don't want the next month, I'm going to be gone, or maybe you want more than one kit. You have all of that control with a login that is unique for you, and it's a fun thing. As a demonstrator, I have subscribed the entire time Paper Pumpkin has been around. I will admit that it has become so much better over the years. The next Paper Pumpkin kit, because you can subscribe up until the 10th of any month, next month's kit is Pick of the Crop. And it's all themed around summer picnics and fruit and gardening. And there, I believe it's 9 different cards. Going to be a fun kit. So let me share with you what came inside this colorful box and what I did with them, because I tweaked mine just a bit. So these 2 cards, I decided to take the best wishes and color in using the Starry Sky blends that can be purchased that coordinate. It's another one of our in colors, because I thought this could be a fun kit to celebrate any kind of occasion, or card that could be fun to celebrate any kind of occasion. These 2 cards I made as thank you cards, and I'm going to share how I did that. I couldn't find what stamp I used. Who knows which one it was. Cover up the U, and I'm just using a piece of some scratch washi tape. I'm going to grab a marker, and this is out of the Orchid Oasis. And what I did, this particular one is from the brand new, oh, and I had it sitting here somewhere. Oh, there it is, Cup of Tea. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to ink up with my marker the brush tip, being careful to stay away from the U, although it wouldn't matter as much since I'm covering up here. I'm going to ink up, and I'm going to then breathe on it to moisten the ink. And because it is a photopolymer stamp, it is easy to see and line up. And I lined it up on top, and I can pull off this washi. And you will see that what I came up with then was a thank you to be able to then stick on the front. Other than that, I followed the instructions that Paper Pumpkin had. On these 2 cards, I decided I wanted them to be birthday. So I used the birthday wishes, kind of cut it down and stuck it underneath the happy, and still use the little elements that they came up with. Again, very minor tweaks. For the happy, I again did kind of a variegated, using my Stampin' blends with the Parakeet Party, and made it a birthday. And then the last card I thought made the most sense to be graduation. So I used the You Did It. I believe, I can't even tell you what stamp set it was. And then I used from the Slim Sayings, which is going away here very soon. I used the Congrats to the Graduate on the inside. So super simple. I loved the fact that you could put in all of these little pockets to put a gift card. Thought it worked wonderfully. So hope you enjoyed. Consider signing up to get your first Paper Pumpkin kit. It's a great experience. Try it out. There's no obligation to continue. You can come and go as you choose. Thanks again. Hope you would subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to sharing another YouTube video with you again very soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day.